Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhomes Devon on a beautiful Devon late-ish August 25 day, just before the bank holiday weekend, and we're out here looking at the start of the floods of tourists that are going to come to Devon this weekend, and we're doing some videos of a special offer on a Wildax, or all our Wildaxes currently have special offers on them, like a summer clearance Wildax event, and this particular one is our best-selling one, the Wildax Solaris XL. So what I'm going to do is go through both the van and the differences between this, the new 25 model Solaris XL, and then the previous sort of 24s. So Wildax, part of the Rapido group, giant French company, started in 2008. Did Wildax merge with Rapido in 2019 maybe, just gave them a lot more buying power. Built in Yorkshire, and their ethos is European levels of building capabilities, a year-round off-grid, capable in any temperatures, but with British twists of decent lounges and kitchens and some different layouts. And the Solaris XL is a unique layout. It's been in their top sort of 1 or 2 bestsellers every year since it originally came out back in 2010. So let's have a look at the window sheet on this one. So it's a Fiat Ducato base, they're all Fiat Ducatos now. Wildax Solaris XL, 25 model, and that's important for reasons that I'm going to go around as we go through the van. So it's got adult size, I call them vertically stacked single beds. They're 6'5" plus single beds, one on top of the other, bunk bed style. So it's a genuine 4-berth, 4-seat belt that will fit 4 adults in comfort in a 3.5 ton van conversion. So they're all 2.2. Now they've got the new 8-speed, which has proved nearly 100% reliable automatic gearbox option from Fiat. Special order a manual, but nobody wants a manual. Delivery mileage, it's the extra long wheelbase, 6.36 metres. You can have a 6 metre one special order with shorter bunk, smaller kitchen. We've never sold one yet, to be fair. Everybody has the 6.36. It's the same wheelbase, so you may as well gain that extra bit of storage and length. Only 2.05 body width, 2 3/4-ish tall. Price is 83,995, but the price isn't 83,995. It's just £5,000 off 78,995. But this is a very high spec one. So you got 2 colour choices with Wildax. There's Expedition Grey, which is a non-metallic flat grey, and then there's our Tense Grey, which is like a metallic gunmetal grey stroke silver. It's the colour that replaced silver. They both sell in pretty much equal numbers, so they've got all your options covered. Full colour coding as standard. So for 25 you get the new 10 series Ducato with this new front end on it. That's the 8 and 9 series over there. You can see the difference on those Adrias between the two. So it does grow on you, actually looks sort of quite modern. Cab specification wise, so compared to 24 you get the new 8-speed gearbox, which has been, say, bomb proof reliability wise. Front fogs, which I think was standard last year anyway, and then differences in cab spec from 24 to 25. You've got electric fold mirrors, you've got the new 8-speed gearbox, you've got the new front end, it's got the new 11-inch touchscreen, which we'll see as we go inside, cab climate control, and an electronic handbrake. So the cab spec jumped up quite a bit for 25 from 24, and we'll go through the differences inside as we get inside. So you've got new 16-inch alloy wheels, heated electrically adjustable electric fold wing mirrors. Well, that's the only people doing electric fold wing mirrors as standard. Really good feature. It's Euro 6 final, so it's got AdBlue. Everything post 2020 has got AdBlue, which is the emission suppressant. It's got a 20-litre tank. You'll probably fill up every 4,000 or 5,000 miles. This one's got the full length 4-metre Omni-Store 2-late awning, which everybody goes for, in black. Electric step, very smart outside awning light. Flush fit double glazed windows as standard, look very smart. Barbecue point on the back corner. That's a £300 option that this one's got in, but that's 78,995. Around the back you've got standard high level reversing camera and standard reversing sensors, both factory fitted by Fiat, and that camera feeds into your big 11-inch touchscreen infotainment system that was new for this year. Vision Plus digital TV aerial. Now, opening up the back doors on a Solaris XL, you've got some rear storage, quite a decent size locker under there. You can also, of course, load onto the bunks and on these little shelves. Then on the other side is your bathroom and rear door entry. So that's got some carpets blocking the way, so we'll see that from the inside. Toilet cassette locker there, awning winder pole. So closing that up, we've got mains hookup. So 2025, 160 watt solar was standard, and they moved from a lead acid battery to a lithium battery as standard, which is the equivalent of 2.5 standard leisure batteries. So that's standard on all 25s, 160 watt solar and 100 amp hour lithium battery, all included in the price, which is really good because the price never went up from 24, but the spec did. Coming around the outside, do excuse the dust on these, we're right next to a quarry. We've got freshwater fill up point, you've got underslung give or take 100 litre fresh and wastewater tanks, heated and insulated as standard, so proper grade 3 capable of taking it down to -20 capable. And then flue for your heating system. So from 2024 onwards, and obviously still in 25, they moved to Truma Combi D, which was diesel electric heating and hot water as standard. So the only thing the gas is doing in this van is powering your cooker, so you're going to use a very, very small amount of gas for your cooker and hob. So the rest of it, you're basically independent of gas, which is a massive, massive benefit. So when you're on the mains, your heating and your hot water runs on mains. When you're not, it runs off diesel from your massive 70 odd litre diesel tank, and it uses an infinitesimally small amount. So it's a way better system than standard Truma Combi gas and electric, which is drinking your gas that you've got a small supply of and you can't get hold of very easily. So quick look at the cab spec that we've already talked about. So you've got full cab blinds as standard, obviously. Electronic handbrake was new for this year. Lovely electric fold mirrors, new for this year. Still semi-digital dash, which I prefer, it's simpler, but you do get the lovely big 11-inch fit that lets you connect DAB Bluetooth stereo system, and that's got embedded nav and Apple CarPlay and Android Autoplay. Last year it was a 7-inch system, which was fine, to be fair, it's alright, it's just shared a smaller screen, and it didn't have embedded nav, just had Apple CarPlay, so this is definitely an improvement there. Cab climate control instead of manual aircon, that's posh, not all vans have that still, and the 8-speed automatic gearbox. So we're a year in, not had a single problem with one yet. You also get traction plus and hill descent control with Wildax. Of course, you've got the leather gear stick and steering wheel, your multi-function steering wheel controls for your stereo and your cruise control built in, and your front and rear fog lights and your auto stop start buttons on the dash next to it. So these are all things you have to pay for with other manufacturers. It's all including this 78.95 price of this one. We got 2 of these, no sensible offer refused, they're a good deal, they got to go, so do speak to us. So unique layout, front lounge, big front lounge. This has got our, also unique to us, premium half real leather, half high quality Castello cloth upholstery interior instead of the brown and beige which Wildax do as standard. So yeah, beautiful upholstery. The work on the cab works, a lot of work goes into that. So also new for 25, total redesign inside. Layout stayed the same, cosmetics totally different, so both on the surface and under the surface they jump forward a lot from 24 to 25. So you've got the curved cabinet work out of the Altair, the catch-free cupboards, rather than the roller shutter doors. Lovely big hecky roof light with lights around it. We've got new strip lighting up there, there's new soft lighting underneath, new backlighting, got the new matte blue, very different sort of backgrounds, which is very, very smart. We find our upholstery matches the mixture of the grey ashwood and the matte blue, picks out 2 different things in that, which is really good. Twin swivel cab seats, slide this one out and then drop the backrest into the middle, and you've got a 4 foot 6 by 6 foot and a bit, very large double bed, very, very handy. There's 2 tables, sorry, one there, one behind here, and they can drop into any one of those 3 positions to either use as smaller table, bigger table, coffee table. Over cab storage, you can order these with a Skyview skylight up there, but I think this storage, which is very deep by the way, I can't even touch the end, is a great space to keep all your bedding and stuff for your front bed. Big opening side windows, new spotlights for 25, which are dimmable, I believe. Yeah, both dimmable, and every one of these has got a USB charger in, and there are loads of these dotted throughout the van. New blinds with corner pieces that won't come off, much better. Fly screen door obviously is standard, that's your lithium battery monitor panel there. Big slimline 12 volt fridge freezer, again that runs off your lithium battery. Works on any angle, cools down quick, stays cool at any angle, any time. Very, very good. And look at this for an amazing kitchen. So again, you got the all new cabinet work, you got the really nice backlit bits there, you got the Truma control panel, you got the splashback there. All of these bits new for 25. I think that made it in for 24. New matte black taps. This is the fashion. Same combi oven and grill, and the nice big sink with glass cover top. And you saw over the cab there, it's got the washing up bowl and the clip-on draining board for it. I do like these cabinets, you know, no catches to go wrong. It's really good. So there's a second good size opening skylight there. You got your big side single beds there, which are massive. Obviously top one's a bit narrower than the bottom one. Top one can fold up and go out of the way completely. You've got 3 storage drawers underneath for all your clothes. And you've also got double wardrobes for your clothes as well. So really big up there with your TV aerial booster. Another even bigger one down there, which has got a bin in. And then loads and loads and loads big cupboards, which of course don't have to be just for food storage, they can be for other things too. More sockets, as I said, you got mains, you got USBs, you got all the spotlights with USBs, and also for 25 they put the spotlights in under there with USBs as well, which is really, really good. So you've both got dimmable individual lighting with phone chargers in either bunk, as well as your individual storage locker at the back and your curtains for privacy. And then at the back is the bathroom, which maintains its sliding door because it makes sense of space. You can load through the back there. You've got your fixed sink over in the corner with a new tap, the swivel seat, Dometic ceramic toilet bowl to chemical toilet, and another nice big storage cupboard there, a mirror, hello, and an opening skylight for ventilation. Yeah, so 78,995 down from 84. But do talk to us. We're here to do a deal. We're already doing a deal. We'll do an even better deal, or we're still maintaining, give you a decent shout on your part exchange as well. So we've got all of our Wildaxes on special offer at the moment. So just to walk through the other ones. Actually, you know what? I won't walk through the other ones. I'm going to do a quick video, just a quick overview of the other ones that we have on special offer as well. But if you're interested in this Solaris XL or anything else, do give us a call. Call us at the Devon Branch on 01626832792. We're the Wildax experts, but if you do buy a van from us, you can pick it up from Somerset if it's nearer to you. You can try calling the mobile, but definitely send it a text or a WhatsApp to 07432 662 558. Ping us an email, jw4@highbridgecaravans.co.uk. Advise me on how to get this to focus, because I can never ever do that. No, still not doing it. Come and see us at Newton Abbot, Devon, just between Exeter and Plymouth on the South Devon Expressway. Couldn't find an easier place to get to. Check us on the Highbridge Caravans website and ask us about the wonderful world of Wildax motorhomes. Thank you very much. Goodbye.